In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password from Password Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on System and Update. Then choose Input Method and finally Autofill for Google. Now tap on Google Password Manager. Select any password you want to get rid of and enter your screen lock. Then select Delete twice, first by tapping on this button and second in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!